Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Food with Rach. In today's video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-marinate ng pork chop. So keep on watching and let's get cooking! Our first ingredient is our pork. Next ingredient is 3 pieces of calamansi, 30 ml liquid liquid seasoning. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Let's start by heating our pan and adding just a little bit of oil. Distribute the oil within the pan. Time to put our marinated pork chop. Add in our marinade sauce, or you can also skip this step. Just cook each side until it's golden brown. Grilling on a pan is really taking time, but definitely is worth it. Once the meat is golden brown, transfer this into a clean plate and serve with hot rice. And we're done! That is all for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Follow me on social media. Links are also in the description. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for any food-related videos. Bye!